So for tomorrow, on tomorrow's menu, we need to get this thing out of here because they put the plate on here wrong. And it is blocking the DisplayPort thing. I've done this on accident myself. Where's that cover here? These here, if they get accidentally tucked in, they can end up blocking. I'm not sure which one this one's out of. What's interesting is I've seen a lot of these don't have these. There's a keyboard one. It says keyboard. It's interesting that they put that on there. You have these weird eSATA plugs, which I've never really dealt with. But I don't like these new ones that don't have HDMIs. I think this is one of them right here. Now look, it's got the PS2 plug, VGA, DVI, DisplayPort, but no whatchamacallit. 4 connectors there. This one has less. I'm wondering what the difference is. The rear and the mic in. It's missing the gray one, which is, I don't know what the gray one is, but anyway. We're gonna have to mess with this tomorrow. I just pulled the board, and I need to get some stuff taken care of with these. I need to benchmark this one too. I got to get a solid state hard drive in there. I don't like this case because it's like really, really thin. This is the CyberPower case. It's made by somebody else. Which is too thin. Now, these ones aren't like super great either, but I mean, they're not terrible. So anyway, Corsair cases. At least they come with these, which are nice. So look for that tomorrow. We'll be doing some stuff there.